Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to freeze panes in Excel sheet. Now suppose you have a large chunk of data and if you are scrolling left, this first column is also not visible, and if you are scrolling up, this this third column is also not visible. But you want that the first column should always be there, like this column should always be there. So what you can do, you can freeze the pane. Now what you can do, you can select this and you can go to view. Then in freeze pane you can freeze the first column. If you click that, now this column is freezed. Now if you go, this will be there always. How you can scroll up to the end and then this column is freezed. Similarly, if you want, like, still this q1 q2, you want that header to be fixed. Now for that you can do, you can unfreeze that. But here you can see the option is only freeze top row. So I don't want this freeze top row. I want this whole 1 2 3 1 2 3 rows to be freezed. So what I'll do is I'll put the cursor here and freeze pane. Now you can see this left, the first row is also, first column is also freezed, and the top row is also freezed. Now if you scroll, you see that is freezed, and if you scroll up, this is also freezed. So this is a very useful tool when you are dealing with a large chunk of data. Thank you.